Hello and welcome to the Abundance Academy. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that can transform your financial life, creating a budget and managing your finances effectively. Let's face it, money matters can sometimes feel overwhelming and confusing. But fear not. We're here to simplify the process and make it enjoyable. Imagine having control over your finances, feeling empowered by your financial decisions, and achieving your money goals with ease. It's all possible with a well-crafted budget and effective financial management strategies. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to embark on a budgeting adventure. Step 1. Know your numbers. Take a moment to assess your income, expenses, and any outstanding debts. This information will be the foundation of your budgeting journey. Step 2. Set your goals. What are your financial aspirations? Is it saving for a dream vacation, paying off debts, or investing in your future? Write down your goals and attach a realistic timeline to each one. Step 3. Create your budget. Start by categorizing your expenses, such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Allocate a specific amount for each category based on your income and goals. Don't forget to leave room for unexpected expenses and savings. Step 4. Track your spending. It's important to keep a record of your expenses. You can use smartphone apps, spreadsheets, or good old pen and paper. Regularly review your spending to ensure you're staying on track and making progress towards your goals. Now, let's make managing your finances fun. We've prepared a practical exercise called the Money Mindfulness Challenge. Each day, take a few minutes to reflect on your spending habits. Ask yourself, did this expense align with my goals? This exercise helps you become more conscious of your financial decisions and encourages mindful spending. But budgeting isn't just about cutting back, it's about finding balance and creating opportunities for abundance. Treat yourself occasionally, guilt-free, by allocating a small portion of your budget for personal enjoyment. Remember, financial well-being includes both responsibility and enjoyment. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action. Start implementing the steps we discussed today and witness the positive changes in your financial life. Remember, creating a budget and managing your finances effectively is an ongoing process, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Abundance Academy for more empowering content. Turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for joining us.